So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I never blow my hair out except for once a year, and that is to cut it. And it's getting to that point. I've lived in Kansas for a year now. The last time I got my hair cut was before we moved, right before we moved actually. So it's been a while, which means I need to brush up on these skills. So I'm about to watch a natural video. Natural 85. If you don't know who that is, how are you on YouTube and you don't know who that is? Anyways, I'm about to watch her video on how to trim your own hair, and then I'm gonna do it. And you're gonna take these steps with me. And I hope it turns out great. It should, it usually does. I usually am not too depressed after I cut my own hair. But it's been a while, so we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Pull up the video. Alright, so I'm gonna watch this video and I'll be back.
While I'm watching this video and working on my skills, you might as well subscribe. Hit that like button.
Okay, so she said we'll need a bunch of different combs and brushes. I left all my brushes at my mom's house and she lives 13 hours away. So I have 2 combs going from big to small. I have hair cutting shears. They're not super expensive, but they will cut your hair and they are really sharp, which she said is important. And I have hair clips to clip out my extra hair out of the way. So let's see. She started by taking a section of hair. There's a mirror behind the camera. So I'm gonna section off my hair. See what I mean? Like this. If my ends was clean, that should have been a clean pull right there. Well, it's not. I'm gonna take this, twist it out of the way. Bam! Just like this new hairstyle. You know what? What I think is interesting is that for some reason people think, look at this. This is just the worst. Ouch! 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 And that's what the widest. How you know all of this gotta go. I'm not attached to my hair at all, actually. A few years back, I'd say maybe like 2 years ago, I cut all my hair off and had a little TWA action, a little tapered cut, and loved it, actually. A lot less maintenance than this. If I needed to get my hair cut, I'd go to the barber shop and be like, all right, just cut it all off. Just taper it aside a little bit. Okay, almost detangled. So my hair's been in braids for like a week now. I blew my hair out a while ago and I've just been too busy. Being a mom is no joke, okay? You have time for yourself, but it's like in between time for others. In the spare minutes that I have without braiding, I have enough time to like wash my butt and brush my teeth. And then he's busy and he wants my attention again. Or he's messing up the living room or, you know, taking toys out and throwing them everywhere because he never plays with the toys. Just takes them out and throws them around the room for whatever reason. But anyways, this is my couple minutes of me time. He's distracted in the background watching his TV show. So she's saying comb your hair out till it's all smooth, and then where it starts to resist being combed is where you need to chop off. Then she said, let me pause this video. Then she said to take the scissors. I'm kidding, she did not say to take the scissors. She said grab the hair with your index finger and your middle finger and keep it above the knuckle, because underneath the knuckle the hair will slip out. You don't want it to slip out because you don't want to miss hair and you don't want to cut the wrong hair off. Okay, so this is how much hair I need to cut off. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this is how much hair I need to cut off. And all right, I'm about to make the first cut. I feel like a whole new woman. Okay, it's gone, it's even. I feel good about it. Now, let's comb it out. See what it looks like. Perfect. Amazing. Great. Okay, I'm lying. I'm still getting a little caught, but you get the gist. Yes. Now, I'm gonna put this in a little braid. So, on to the next section. Yeah, go ahead. What's up?
I was gonna say, like, you know, when you be talking about some friends.
I was.
Oh, you are?
I was talking about how I'm a mom and I have no me time, and then you came in and was like, let's play video games.
Okay.
I was literally just talking about it before you came in and said that. At least my hair gets damaged at the same speed. So far, at least in the back. It's all the same. Okay. While I'm here, I might as well talk about some things that I have coming up, that have things to do in the summer. We're gonna be traveling again, and it's for weddings. And this is kind of like, maybe like my second wedding I've ever been to. Yes, I'm married. I've never been to a wedding. I didn't have one, but that's a story for a different time. And yeah, so I want to be looking right for these weddings. I don't want to go to somebody's wedding and just be like that frumpy girl in the pictures. I don't want to be that. I want to be like, dang, who she come here with? She look nice. Let me go talk to her. And then I'll be like, sorry, I'm married. Moral of all of this is to say, I want to be looking so nice at these weddings that it's like, wow, who's your trainer? So I'm going to be eating well coming up after Christmas, because I'm going to eat everything on Christmas, just being honest. And then after Christmas, I'm going to start eating right, going back to drinking my smoothies and intermittent fasting, because that works really good for me. And what else? Oh, I'm going to be working out. And you guys don't know this about me because you only know me as a mom. But way back before I was a mom, I used to work at the gym. I used to be in the gym all the time. Eat, sleep, breathe, gym. I was just really in shape, and it was odd because my whole life I was really chubby. I don't want to say fat. I wasn't fat, I was chubby. So I went from being a chubby girl, and then I went off to college and I got really skinny for absolutely no reason. I just was nervous and shy and wouldn't go to cafeteria, so I just wouldn't eat, and I lost a bunch of weight unhealthily. Then I moved back home, and then I went to the gym and I started getting myself fit so that my skinniness had a purpose. You know what I mean? Hold on, I need to focus for this part.
Like 90% of your classes, you still up? And throughout that.
Okay. Now that that's done, and my focus level is back. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna plan to start working out and lose this little bit of baby weight I still have left over. And I want to take you guys on that journey with me. I hope it's entertaining. I hope that you guys can keep me accountable, actually. Because usually I'm like, I'm gonna lose weight, and then for a couple months I'll do the right thing, and then I'll slip because Kit Kats are bae. And I don't need that to happen again. So hopefully me documenting my process through here can help me to maintain my focus. Oh my. This is like, oh my god. Never have I ever.
I'm not going to do that because tomorrow I'm going to be styling in a different way. I've been doing it this way for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Wow. Look at that shape. I did this. I cut the shape. Is it funny? Oh, I'm about to go show Bray. Okay, so because I'm a mom, I will now have to stop what I'm doing and go make my boys something to eat. Don't touch. Huh. So, because I'm hungry, mommy. And that's all that matters. I'm gonna break this up, then I'm gonna stop here, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to cut this other section. See you guys then. Okay, so I did it, and I'm so excited that my shape still looks good. For cutting my hair myself, I have to say I'm very proud of myself, pat myself on the back. But let's see, I'm gonna try to show you how much hair I cut off. This is how much hair I cut off. So as always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those things. Share this video with somebody that's afraid to cut their hair. And yeah, see you in the next one.